Sambo here, just having a quick check on my hive. It's been about 10 days since I've been inside. I'll just pull the lid off. Come over with the smoke, Matt. Don't walk in front of the camera. Get in there. Here, I'll start humming.
Yeah.
Look. See how they're drawing out the honeycomb?
Yep.
Right, see how they're joining that sheet up to the side there?
Yeah. Do you need some spray on them? Some. Oh.
Pull the queen excluder off, just have a look, see, make sure the queen's not on there. See the drawing the comb out?
Yeah.
See?
Yep. Oh, there's a lot on that one.
Sure is. Come and have a look. Look. See they're all busy with their heads in there?
Yeah.
Packing pollen away.
Oh, wow. Wow. Not even much stinging. I mean, I can, but...
See here where they started to glue that together?
Yeah. So you got
So
to...
you just got to get the tool in there. That looks like a bloody hive beetle.
And what's a hive beetle?
Bad news. Have a look at that. See that? See all the caps on there?
Yeah.
That's where the queen's been laying eggs.
Oh.
So there you go. Plenty of capped brood there. couple of bees just attacked a fly and dragged it off. Right, come over here, Matt. See the yellow stuff in there and the orange stuff?
Yeah.
That's pollen that they've been putting away.
Oh, awesome.
I'm just having a look and I'm hoping to find the queen as well. See this one over here, waggling?
Yeah.
See that one waggling?
Yeah.
Right, that's showing the others where to go and find nectar.
Oh.
Looks like a larva here. Looks like that'll be capped soon. It looks like these other cells here, brood cells, are in the process of being capped. Maddie, come over here.
Coming.
Have a look in there, see in the bottom of those cells, you can see this tiny little white thing.
Yeah.
See it? That's the egg.
Wow. Should I step back again?
Yep. Now I've decided to leave the queen excluder off, because at the moment I've only got the one hive, and I'm happy that for over the summer that she gets up there and lays more brood, and then hopefully I'll be able to split and make more hives off of this one. That's it, another day without getting stung. This is Sambo from Pop's Chat. Now if you've made it this far through to the video, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you've watched my other videos and you like them as well, please click on the subscribe button there. It all helps me make more videos, and hopefully I can reach more people. So until next time, I'll see you later.